Hi everyone. Further, let us progress on the feasibility study and then feasibility analysis. So this is the third module in the session 13. So this module is mainly focusing on feasibility analysis testing opportunities. The learning objective of this module is to know the feasibility analysis, right? And in business, um, how to analyze its potential and test the opportunities that are there in front of us, whether those opportunities are really gives us edge over our business operations or not. So such things we will just understand from this feasibility analysis and opportunity testing. If you just look at feasibility analysis, the testing and opportunity. Once you have an idea for a new business, define it by writing a clear and then concise business concept. So the idea that we generate, so we just write on paper and then we just develop the business concept that we just take out from the idea. Right, the business concept, a clear and then concise description of a business opportunity. It contains the four elements like a product or services, the customers, the benefit, and the distributions. Its the purpose is the focus your thinking. So these are the main aspects of the feasibility study, where initially we have to clearly define the business concept. So further, if you just look at the product, service, and customers, and benefit, and then features and delivery. So the product and the services are concerned, what is being offered, and this is the solution to the problem. So who is it, and then they pay for the product. So the customers, who are they to take it? And then the benefit and then features, like a benefit the promotes or enhance the value of the product. And then you can see that the features like distinctive aspects, the quality and then characteristics of product. So all these are the various dimensions of the benefit and then features. Like at last you can see that the delivery in the sense real no, the no, retail, the wholesales, mail, no, order, internet, and then door to door. So these are the other aspects that one can look at the business point of view. Then you can see that feasibility analysis, the testing and opportunity, and developing a business concept. So it is from the assessment of benefits. So in developing a business concept, consider the features and then benefit you product or service offers. So the benefit is the thing that the promote or the change enhance the value of the product or the services to the customers. So this is understanding the business concepts and then its benefit for the organizations. And further, if you just look at feasibility, like testing the concept in the market. So an entrepreneur can use a feasibility analysis in order to decide if there is enough demand for a product or a service. Right, the feasibility analysis is the process that the tests the business, the concept. It offers the entrepreneurs to decide whether a new business, the concept has potential or not. So these are the issues under the feasibility. Then, if you just look at the testing the concept in the market, like a feasibility analysis can help an entrepreneur to determine whether business conditions are appropriate to go forward with starting a business. Right. If you just see feasibility analysis, so the testing and then opportunities, no, the testing the concept in the market, like feasibility analysis questions like a customers related, and then you can see that no, the product and then the services, and then team, funding the team, and the competitions, and then you can see that other aspects like so all these are the important things that are there in the organizations. So if you see the feasibility analysis, like testing the industry, the broadest level of the feasibility analysis, looking at the industry in which the business will operate, right? So industry in the sense a group of business with a common interest, that is industry. Then taking of the customers. So the target the customers and then identify the people the most likely to buy the business, the product or a service. So this is one important aspect. The most important part of the feasibility analysis is the testing customers, major interesting or identifying the the targeted market. So if you just look at the taking to the customers, like target customers, so the people most likely to buy the businesses, the products and then services. The most important part of the feasibility analysis or the testing analysis is concerned measures the interest and then identify the target the customers. So these are the other aspects. Then if you see study the competition. So we have to just look at the competition, how is the competition, who are the competitors, what extent the competition is going to adversely affect our business. So such things one has to analyze by looking at the competitors and their products and the quality, the financial conditions, and then and so on. Right. So then along it, the startup resources like a strong the business model is important to investors. Right. So business model is a description of how no entrepreneur the plan to make money with the business concept. So these are the other items. Then further, if you just look at the now analyzing the value, the chain that is there, a business can create a competitive advantage by improving the value chain or its the product and services. The value chain includes the manufacturing, distributions, and then relations. So these are the various aspects like value chain in the sense the distribution channels through which a product or a services flowed from the producers to the customers. So in between you can see the process. Right. So in that context, if you just look at no, the as a whole, all the dimensions of feasibility analysis, from the perspective of testing the opportunity, we can see that whether it is viable or not, whether it is feasible or not, whether it is going to work out or not. So otherwise, it is the huge loss of time and resources. So that means no, the feasibility study is very essential before commencement of any business. With this, let me stop here. Thank you very much and looking forward to meet you in the video 63.